I don't like him when he does this because he forgets to turn. Well, I'm in that corner now, so I must turn right, but he's doing okay so far. Can't weigh me on the outside. On the inside, look, though, is Gary Shaw. Gary Shaw up in that Nottingham 41 car, and making a good job of that overtaking system there. Them two, 42 and 48, very close together. Morehouse, his concentration's gone now, look, because he's let it slip back a little bit. He'll never reach a wall when he next sees me, you know, because somebody will tell him. I don't think anybody's going to catch him. That's Gary Shaw in the Nottingham car. Can't wait me in 42 on his own track, and usually a front runner every time, isn't he? Has he got the now in the Sturton 48, but I've got to say this track is really polished, and it must be hard to get them cars to slide round gracefully and not spin. Last lap now in Nottingham 41, Gary Shaw from Capway. So they're all on the last lap. I can't see it changing, to be honest with you. Nottingham 41 coming round this time. Gary Shaw's going to take the top honours in this one, I feel sure. Yes, he is.